What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. What's good? Get it, girl gang. Welcome. Stacks from Scratch is here today to show you some techniques you can use in Canva. AI is so amazing. Canva AI has some tricks that I know nobody's teaching you or showing you. I even ran across these by default. So let's get into it. First, you're going to start on your Canva home screen. You already know we've been talking about Canva all year long since last year. So you already know you need an account. I am working with the pro account. So let's get into it. Now, you're going to go to the home page and click create over here on the sidebar. And let's just say we're going to create a thumbnail. We could choose and select whatever type of thumbnail we want to create. And let's say a YouTube thumbnail will be good. I'm about to show you some ways you can tweak your designs, even your own personal images, and just upgrade them for the purpose of scroll stopping kind of content. Okay. So I don't know if people are even using this out here, but I'm sure somebody has stumbled across this and used this effect without us even knowing. So if you want to be even a little discreet about what you're doing, Canva can do this for you in a way that people can hardly detect that this is AI. So let's go. Right now it says generated design. Well, we're gonna just select this custom style here, so to make it a time saver. Now we'll take her and just throw her right on in the trash. Delete. Next, I'm gonna go to my upload so I can select a image of myself that I'm gonna use as our AI model today. How about that? Let's go with the smiling Toya. We'll go ahead and remove her background. Now check this out, guys. Everything about this image to me is perfect. I mean, it is me. But I'm going to add some things to this design to make her even more perfect of her. Let's go to edit right up here at the top of this bar, all the way in the corner here. When we click edit, look over here. We have so many options. Let's scroll a little bit. And we're going to go right to this first line of tools and say magic edit. Canva is going to show us this with a blank background where we can see so many faults with the picture now. I'm going to go right here to describe your edit, right over here on the side of this scroll bar. And I'm going to type into here to enlarge her eyes, make them impressive. Now, these are some prompts that you can use, or you can take these and chop them up and just customize them to fit exactly what you want. I also want to add some long lashes, but not too long or thick. I also want to add longer fingernails. Let's be more precise when we talking to AI so that we know we're getting the best engineering possible. I see I got a misspelled word. Let's correct that. Add longer fingernails. Also, we can change her shirt color. Okay. You just saw some of the things I added in this prompt, what I'm going to do to her. You can't even imagine how she's about to turn out after we generate this new image. I'm going to also add her a red suit jacket and some feminine jewels. Okay, did you know you could do that? Did you know you can add all these things to your personal images on Canva? And these can be used for you to get paid. Letting your clients know that you can upgrade their images, add anything they want to their backgrounds. We're going to do a background next, so stay with me. I'm showing you how to do this step by step. walking you straight through, girl. Come on. Now, we wait for the new image to generate. Canva did their thing. Look at that. The eyes are a little too wide, but you know what? It did what we asked. We asked for some longer lashes, longer nails. And I could say, okay, the jewels are good, the red jacket, and I think it looks real. What do you think? Now, also, the next thing I want to show you, check this out. We're gonna stay with this edit, even though I think the eyes are a little bit too impressive. I look like I'm looking, trying to see the future. But what we're gonna do? Watch this. Add straight hair, a short bob cut with side parts. Make it look professional and expensive. Now, these are my own personal prompts. You know, you got to go in here and customize these prompts to say exactly what you want to say, but still you get the gist of how much power you got right here. Okay, we got too many S's. All right, and then we say generate to get this new image of this big-eyed girl here. Let's see how the hair will turn out. So now you know you can go in here, alter your makeup, your hair, your lashes, your accessories. All this done right here in Canva. Look at that. And let's roll with it. How do we get out of here? We just say go back right next to the magic edit option. We click the back arrow. That's our final result. And I think it looks amazing, guys. What do you think? True to life or what? And you know somebody out here been using these, and we don't have a clue that this is what they've been doing. But now you know you get the juice right here from your girl, your homegirl, your favorite homegirl on this whole internet, Mrs. Latoya Slater. So there you have it. Here's some things that I just know you never knew you could do with Canva.